Welcome to the demo video of TRiMiTi by Nexustec. In this demo video, we will showcase TRiMiTi's use case of the Assembly Assistant. To start with, this is a multi-step verification process. The worker can assemble the part step by step, while TRiMiTi verifies and informs the worker if the steps are correct or not. You can notice on the right side of the UI that the correctly performed step will turn green, and if the step is incorrect, TRiMiTi will give live feedback through a pop-up message on the screen, thereby informing the worker about it. TRiMiTi has its own programming language that enables us to program various use cases, such as this monitoring of assembly in real time, or even AOI. This system can be configured to use alongside other systems in existing environments and doesn't require change of workspaces for the workers. In addition, we can also provide worker guidance, real-time process overview, and control to the workers and their supervisors alike. For more information, please contact Nexustec or our partner in your region.